Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Python for Data Science, we are going to understand the user interface and working of GitHub that includes how to create GitHub account, how to create GitHub repository, how to edit GitHub repository or content in repository, and finally, how to upload file from Google Drive to GitHub repository. Let's type GitHub the Google Chrome search engine. Let's begin with understanding what is GitHub and the need to have GitHub account. GitHub is the world's leading platform where developers collaborate on coding projects. It acts as a central hub for storing code, tracking changes, and facilitating teamwork. Developers can work on different parts of a project simultaneously, manage versions of the code, and review each other's work. GitHub also offers tools for project management, issue tracking, and automated testing, streamlining the development process. Overall, GitHub enhances productivity and fosters a community driven approach to software development. Now, let's dive into working with GitHub. Let's look at creating GitHub account. We need to have a Google account to create GitHub account. Here is my Google account that I will be using to work with GitHub. If you already have an account, just click on sign in. Here are the links related to GitHub. Click on first link. This is how GitHub interface looks like. Click on sign up button. Enter email address. Click on continue. Create a strong password. Click on continue. Enter username in the provided field. Click on continue. If you want to receive occasional product updates and announcements, then checkbox this and click on continue. GitHub may ask you to verify your account. Click on verify. Complete the given puzzle and click on submit. GitHub may ask you to verify your email address too. Check your mail inbox for a verification message from GitHub and follow the instructions to verify your mail. Once your mail ID is verified, you can sign into GitHub by giving the credentials. Click on sign in. Now, this is how the GitHub dashboard looks like. You can start creating repository. Once logged in, we will be on our GitHub dashboard like this. Click on the green box that is named as Get Repository, the top left corner. We will be directed to a new page where we need to fill in some information about the repository. That includes repository name. Choose a name for repository. This should be something descriptive to identify our project. Next one is description. Write a brief description of what project does. Now, check for the visibility. Decide whether you want your repository to be public, that is, visible to everyone, or private, that is, accessible only to people you invite. Initialize with README. If you want to start with a README file, which is a good idea to describe your project, check this or tick this box option. Once you have filled in the required information, click on the green Create Repository button. You have successfully created GitHub repository. Now let's look at editing GitHub repository, where you can start adding files, making commits, and collaborating with others on our project. We need to click on pencil-like option on the right side to edit information in the repository, and then click on commit change. One of the most important point to be noted is whenever we make changes in repository, mandatory save those changes by clicking on commit changes. It's like saving content using Ctrl plus S. Let's try to edit this. I included one more line. Now I want to save this. So I will click on commit changes and again click on commit change. In this way, the changes are updated and saved. Finally, let's understand how to upload a file from Google Drive to GitHub repository. Let me tell you the importance of uploading file in Google Drive and then uploading in GitHub rather than directly uploading in GitHub. When you upload files straight to GitHub from your computer, it's quicker, but you might lose out on collaboration features from Google Drive. Using Google Drive first lets you collaborate in real time and comment, but it adds as an extra step. It depends on what you need or collaboration tool. Additionally, managing large files or binary files directly on GitHub might not be as efficient as compared to storing them on Google Drive first, especially if you are working with limited storage space or versioning large files. Let's open Drive. Type Google Drive here. I'll first upload a file into Google Drive from my system. Click on File Upload option that is available in the plus new box. Then select the file that you want to upload. Click on Open. Now right click on uploaded file, click on Share. Again click on Share. You can share this by adding specific people or groups, or you can make it available to anyone with a link. You can choose whether they can comment, edit, or just view the file. Once you have set the permissions, click on Copy link and keep it handy. Let's do GitHub dashboard. As I already mentioned previously, to edit the repository, click on pencil symbol. Now paste the link that is copied earlier and click on Commit Changes. The changes will be updated and saved. In this way, we can explore and work with GitHub. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.